In front of me is XIAOMi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you can simply hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, click on it. You can also pinch your device's display, then hold your search bar and drag it to remove section at the top. Then let go and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!